Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about this sponsored product from Delta. This is Nicoli series single handle pull down bathroom faucet. As you can see, this has really cool feature which will you can just pull this down and wash around uh, the areas you want to. And the nice feature is once you are done, this just goes right back inside, and it just has magnet here, and it will just keep this in place until you pull it again. And the handle operation is very easy, very smooth operation, and it is tested to last at least 500 time usage, so that is really high quality. And the other thing I really like this, so you don't have to worry about the hose with the selection of the hose. Everything is already attached to the unit, so you can just pull this down on the area you want to install, and as you can see, you have the hose and you have an indicator here which is for the hot, and the other one is the cold. So once you put everything in place, this where you would plug this thing inside. Right here you would just plug it in and you are basically done. So in case you want to take this out, you would just press this down and just pull it out. That's how easy it is. So you can also do the same thing from this part and just pull this. And it also comes with this nice matching color pop-up drain, and it has really cool features as well. Once you want to block the water, you will just press it down, and once you want it, you will just do the same and it will just pop up. And other cool feature, this can come up very easy. Really cool feature, you can just take it out. Maybe you drop something, in case it got stuck around here, you can just pull it out. Or let's say there are some hair or some other stuff, you can easily take it out and just clean it out. That is really cool. And another thing is, let's say you have 3 hole settings and you are worried about the coverage, so this will cover the other existing holes in case you have 3 hole settings. So you can just use this plate to just cover the other holes. That is going to work well. But if you already have single hole which will work with this, you will just use this part, and on the bottom it has this nice rubber piece that will prevent the water going down. It will prevent the water leak. So also you have this weight which will go on the black hose, which is the pull down, which will help the once you are done, when you let it go, it will just, because of the weight, it will just pull everything back inside and it will click on its place. So overall, really nice, well made quality. It is corrosion resistant, chemical resistant, really nice quality. I really like the way it looks. I hope you guys will like and enjoy it as well. Thank you for watching.